To view or obtain online statements from PNC, you will need to sign into the account view page using your username and password, which were created during the initial enrollment process. The steps to follow are: first, visit the PNC website and navigate to the account view page. Next, enter your username and password. Then click the Submit button. After logging in, click on the virtual wallet in the account list and select the statement date you would like to view from the View All Activity option. The statement will be displayed in PDF format, which can be saved electronically or printed using the mobile app. Alternatively, you can also view your statement using your phone by opening the app, clicking on the virtual wallet spending account, selecting Account Actions at the bottom of the screen, and then choosing the Online Statements option. From there, select the year and month of the statement you want to view. Online statements for deposit accounts can be accessed for up to 7 years, while credit card statements can be viewed for up to 48 months. You will receive a monthly notification via email when your statement is ready to be viewed or printed. Overall, viewing or obtaining an online statement from PNC is a straightforward process.